Hearing a low hum or strange vibration in your RAV4 Hybrid. It can grow with speed, feel through the floor or pedals, and sound like a soft electric growl. Here's what it could be, and how to pinpoint it before you spend a cent. G'day. Let's talk about your RAV4 Hybrid. Do you ever notice it at all while you're driving? Maybe you feel a bit of a shake, a little vibration through the floor or the pedals. If you do, you're not on your own. A lot of owners have noticed this. It's a noise that seems to get louder the faster you go. Some people say it sounds like a low growl from an electric motor. Others just feel a weird rumble that wasn't there before. This can be a bit concerning when you're out on the road, wondering what's happening with your car. This essay will break it all down for you, nice and simple. We're going to look at what might be causing that noise, what dealers are told to do, and, most importantly, what it could cost if it's not under warranty. Stick with me to the end for the numbers. Section 2, the symptoms and the simple checks. Let's break down the symptoms a bit more. The main thing people notice is that humming or whirring sound. It often gets more noticeable as your speed increases, especially on smooth roads. Think of it like a low-frequency growl. Some drivers also report a vibration. You might feel it in the floor, through the accelerator pedal, even in the seat. It's usually most obvious at highway speeds, say 60 to 100 kilometers per hour, and sometimes under light acceleration. Before you jump to big conclusions, there are some basics to check. These are often the real culprits. First up, your tires. Get the balance checked. An unbalanced wheel is a classic cause of vibration at speed. Also, get a wheel alignment. Misalignment can cause odd noises and uneven wear. Look closely at tread. Uneven patterns can create a rhythmic sound that changes with speed. And get the wheel bearings checked. A failing bearing often starts as a low hum. Now, there's another sound to know. Hybrids are quiet at low speed, so they use a vehicle proximity notification system, an external speaker that makes a low artificial sound to alert pedestrians. On some surfaces, it can seem odd or louder. A dealer can test this system to rule it out quickly. Many owners solved it with balancing, alignment, or tires. But if the noise sticks around, the investigation needs to go deeper. These basics are your first line of defense. Section 3. Toyota's official word, the tech tip. So what does Toyota say? It's not a recall. Toyota issued a dealer communication, tech tip TTT052919, revision 2, for 2019-2020. RAV4 Hybrid abnormal noise, vibration from the hybrid transaxle. These documents standardize diagnosis when dealers see repeat complaints. It's guidance, not a single root cause part. Toyota tells dealers, duplicate the concern, document with video showing RPM and speed, and open a TAS case before repairs. Attach the interview and video. They also warn it's often confused with the proximity system sound, so confirming that first is part of the process. Forums add, many speed-related hums are tires, bearings, or driveline. But genuine drivetrain faults do happen, hence Toyota's escalate before replace approach. Knowing this tech tip exists helps you talk to your dealer and shows there's an official path for your symptom. It ensures a consistent, thorough investigation across dealerships. When you take your RAV4 in, they'll confirm the noise, often with you on a drive, then rule out the proximity sound. They'll record video of the dash, speed and RPM, and open a TAS case. TAS is Toyota's technical assistance system for expert guidance. Dealers need TS approval before major hybrid work. If TS agrees it's abnormal, they authorize repair, possibly the hybrid transaxle. Costs vary. Diagnosis and road test, about $150–250. A transaxle fluid service, roughly $227–307. Transaxle replacement, dealer $6,300 and $6,800. Independent sometimes nearer $5,800. Some quotes run higher. Check your warranty. Powertrain, shut in 60 months, 60,000 miles. Many hybrids cover drive components up to 8 years, 100,000 miles. Verify your guide. Be a detective. Safely record a video that captures the noise, speedometer, and RPM, and note road conditions. Show the video. Describe that it changes with speed. Mention any vibration. Ask them to check VPNS first and open a TAS case. Keep records. If this helped, like and subscribe, and tell us, hum, vibration, or both, and at what speed it happens. Drive safe.